From timeless DSLRs to next-generation mirrorless powerhouses, Nikon has built a legacy of cameras that capture life with unmatched clarity and emotion. But with so many models offering incredible image quality, dynamic range, and cutting-edge autofocus, which one truly deserves a spot in your hands? Today, we're breaking down the best Nikon cameras for every type of creator, from travel vloggers to studio professionals, so you can find the perfect camera to tell your story. Number 5. Nikon Z52. Compact, capable, and incredibly well-balanced. The Nikon Z52 is the perfect hybrid mirrorless camera for creators stepping into the Nikon ecosystem. Building on the success of the original Z50, this second-generation model delivers faster performance, smarter autofocus, and video upgrades that make it a true all-rounder for both photographers and content creators. At its core, the Z52 features a 20.9-megapixel APS-C sensor paired with Nikon's powerful X-Speed 7 processor, the same engine found in the brand's flagship Z9. This combination brings lightning-fast processing, cleaner images in low light, and impressively accurate subject detection autofocus, whether you're shooting people, pets, or wildlife. For vloggers and hybrid shooters, the improvements really shine. You get 4K 60p video oversampled from 5.6K for crisp detail, a fully articulating 3.2-inch vari-angle touchscreen, and flat color profiles like N-Log for advanced color grading. The autofocus tracking is smooth and reliable, keeping your subject locked even during movement. Perfect for YouTube, travel films, or interviews. While it lacks in-body image stabilization and sticks to a modest resolution, the Z52 makes up for it with speed, simplicity, and excellent image quality. If you want an affordable, versatile camera that bridges photography and video beautifully, the Nikon Z52 is one of Nikon's finest entry points into mirrorless. Number 4. Nikon ZF. If there's one camera that proves nostalgia and innovation can coexist, it's the Nikon ZF. Inspired by the legendary Nikon FM2 of the 1980s, this full-frame mirrorless model is a love letter to classic photography, complete with dedicated dials, a tactile metal build, and a timeless aesthetic that makes you want to shoot every day. But behind its retro looks lies the soul of a modern powerhouse. The ZF features a 24.5-megapixel full-frame sensor paired with Nikon's advanced processing and an incredible 8-stop in-body image stabilization system, the most powerful Nikon has ever made. It handles low light effortlessly, delivers sharp, rich images, and performs beautifully for both stills and video. For those who love manual control, the ZF is a dream come true. It includes subject detection assist for manual focus, helping you nail sharp shots even when using vintage lenses. And thanks to the vari-angle touchscreen, you can flip it out for video or fold it away for a pure, old-school experience that feels like shooting film again. The charm of the ZF isn't just its design, it's how it makes you feel behind the camera. It blends the soul of analog with the precision of digital, creating a shooting experience that's both emotional and empowering. For creators who value craft, aesthetics, and image quality in equal measure, the Nikon ZF is more than just a camera. It's a statement piece that turns every photo into an experience worth remembering. Number 3. Nikon D850. Even in a world dominated by mirrorless cameras, the Nikon D850 still stands tall as one of the greatest DSLRs ever made. It represents everything that made Nikon's D-series legendary: precision, durability, and jaw-dropping image quality, wrapped in a rugged body built to last for years of serious shooting. At its heart lies a 45-megapixel full-frame BSI sensor, capable of producing stunningly detailed images with exceptional dynamic range and color depth. It's a camera that captures the finest textures and tones, whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or commercial work. The 7 frames per second burst rate gives it surprising speed for such high resolution, making it equally at home in the studio or the field. The D850 also embodies classic Nikon reliability. Its magnesium alloy weather-sealed body feels rock solid, with intuitive handling, illuminated controls, and an impressive 1,800 shot battery life that puts most mirrorless rivals to shame. It's a camera built for professionals who need a dependable tool that performs flawlessly in any condition. While it lacks the ultra-fast autofocus and video-focused features of newer mirrorless systems, The D850 remains an outstanding choice for dedicated photographers who value craftsmanship, optical clarity, and that unmistakable DSLR shooting experience. Timeless, powerful, and uncompromising, the Nikon D850 isn't just a great DSLR. It's a masterpiece that continues to define what a professional camera should be. Number 2. Nikon Z6 III. The Nikon Z6 III is where performance, versatility, and creativity come together in one beautifully balanced camera. Positioned in Nikon's mid-range lineup, it's built for photographers and filmmakers who want full-frame power without the bulk or complexity of a flagship model. And it delivers that balance perfectly. At its core is a 24.5 megapixel full-frame sensor with a new partially stacked design, giving it faster readout speeds, improved rolling shutter control, and outstanding low-light performance. Combined with Nikon's advanced subject detection autofocus, it tracks people, animals, and even vehicles with precision, making it a reliable partner for sports, wildlife, and event shooting alike. For video creators, the Z6 III shines just as bright. It records 6K video at up to 60 frames per second, offers rich color depth, and handles fast-paced motion beautifully. The bright $5.76 million electronic viewfinder, Nikon's best yet, makes every composition sharp and immersive, while the ergonomic grip and rugged build ensure comfort through long shoots. What makes the Z6 III special is its versatility. It's fast enough for professionals, approachable enough for enthusiasts, and capable of handling nearly any creative challenge you throw at it. For creators who demand a hybrid tool that performs flawlessly across both photo and video, the Nikon Z6 III is the sweet spot. Powerful, intuitive, and ready for anything. Number 1. Nikon Z8. The Nikon Z8 is the kind of camera that makes you fall in love with photography all over again. Often called the baby Z9, it carries nearly all the power and technology of Nikon's flagship model, just in a smaller, more affordable, and more accessible package. Designed for professionals but built for anyone who demands excellence, the Z8 is one of the most capable mirrorless cameras on the market today. Inside, it packs a 45.7 megapixel stacked full-frame sensor, delivering crisp, detailed stills and breathtaking 8K video performance. The stacked design virtually eliminates rolling shutter, giving you incredibly fast burst speeds, up to 20 frames per second in RAW and even 120 frames per second in JPEG, with flawless tracking and zero lag. Every frame feels instantaneous, every moment perfectly captured. This is a camera that thrives in any environment: landscapes, wildlife, sports, portraits, or filmmaking. Its electronic shutter enables silent operation, its autofocus system locks onto subjects with stunning precision, and its image quality is rich, vibrant, and cinematic. While it doesn't have the extreme battery life of the Z9, the Z8 strikes a balance between power and portability that few cameras can match. It's a creative powerhouse, one that proves you don't need the biggest body to achieve professional results. For serious photographers and hybrid creators alike, the Nikon Z8 isn't just Nikon's best all-round camera. It's a statement of what modern mirrorless technology can achieve. If this guide helped you decide which Nikon fits your needs, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more camera reviews, lens guides, and photography comparisons every week. Which Nikon would you choose? The compact mirrorless, the retro-inspired classic, or the full-frame powerhouse? Let us know in the comments, and we'll see you in the next video.